Hi everyone. So today is probably the last video I am making before my RPF Phase 1 examination. So in this video I'll be covering what was my study update from 26th to 30th of September and सिडबी का एग्ज़ाम था on 4th of October. तो वो एग्ज़ाम कैसा हुआ, what was my attempt and similar PFRDA का how many questions I attempted and what I'll be studying next till RBI Phase 1 exam. So first I'll be starting with the study update. So as I have mentioned up till 25th in the previous video, you can watch that and further I'll tell you in this video. So on 26th I have covered current affairs, that was on 24th of September only, and for quant I have written a sectional mock. So I got 7 marks out of 30 in that mock. I have not opened it yet, my laptop, so that's why I'm just sharing the marks here, but this is the actual score I got. And on 27th of September I covered current affairs, August 2nd week. So and for reasoning I have written a sectional mock in which I got 18 on 60. So इसमें इतने मार्क्स आने के बाद भी out of 7 out of 30 percentile was something on 70 or 80 percentile, something like that, but reasoning में percentile was good, it was 90 plus. On 28 I have covered GA, that is from 25th to 26th, and for quant I have practiced probability and permutation questions. ज़्यादा नहीं, it was दोनों मिला के approx 20 questions would be there. And on 29th I didn't study, I was not feeling well, so I didn't study anything, that's why I've not written here. And 30th I covered current affairs from August 3rd week, and for quant I practiced few questions of mensuration. So this was just my study update, and till 30th I will tell you what was how was my SIDBI phase 2 examination. So here I'll be discussing with you कि मैंने SIDBI में कितने questions attempt किए and pattern क्या था. So सिडबी में मैंने 1 अक्टूबर से स्टार्ट किया था स्टडी करना. उसमें मैंने जितने भी मॉक टेस्ट मैंने दिए थे ऑब्जेक्टिव के, उस सबको एनालाइज किया, एंड थ्रू दैट मेरे को कुछ कंटेंट भी मिल गया डिस्क्रिप्टिव में लिखने के लिए, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट स्टडी ऐसे स्पेसिफिक फॉर सिडबी. तो जितना भी मॉक टेस्ट से मुझे आइडिया लगता था मैंने वो सब थोड़ा सा याद कर लिया, सो दैट डिस्क्रिप्टिव में कुछ मैं लिख पाऊँ. एंड फर्स्ट सेक्शन इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव का होता है, जिसमें फर्स्ट एक ऐसे 1 लेटर एंड 1 प्रेसी दे आस्क. सो 75 मिनट्स इज द टाइम अलॉटेड, एंड इतना टाइम इनफ होता है टू राइट ऑल दिस 3. एंड नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव 50 क्वेश्चन थे. आई अटेम्प्टेड सेक्शन ए जो होता है ना, वो पर क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के होते हैं, सेक्शन बी में पर क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क के होते हैं. सो आई अटेम्प्टेड 22 on 25 एंड 21 on 25 इन सेक्शन बी. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो अटेम्प्ट किया है ऑल आर राइट, बट ऑप्शन नहीं था मुझे, जैसे if I don't attempt good number of question there is no chances of selection, so that's why I tried attempting. And इसमें जैसे अगर if you take 22 तो I know 12 are right and 10 is dicey, I don't know whether they're right or not. So I took that much of risk because I know कि questions tough नहीं थे and cut off will go high, so that's why. एंड सिडबी का एग्ज़ाम मेरा ऐसा गया है कि आई नॉट बी सरप्राइज्ड अगर मैं सिलेक्शन हो जाता है, अगर मेरा कॉल लेटर मुझे आ जाता है फॉर इंटरव्यू कॉल, एंड also I'll not be surprised if I don't get a call. So मेरे it is in something in between, and that's all I can say for this. And descriptive में written descriptive में we given 5 questions, 5 options, and from that we have to pick 2 for 15 marks, and same for 10 marker questions was also there. 5 options थे and we have to choose 2. so ये total 50 mark के थे. And सरप्राइजिंगली मेरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव वॉज गुड इन कंपेरिजन टू ऑब्जेक्टिव, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्टिव में जो ये सब है ना, मैंने बहुत लाइक इट इज़ वेरी डाइसी, आई डोंट नो इट्स राइट और नॉट, बिकॉज 1-2 दिन का स्टडी में यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या मतलब सब मर्ज हो जाता है, एवरीथिंग गेट्स मर्ज, यू नो. व्हेन आई सॉ द क्वेश्चन आई वाज नॉट एबल टू पिक द राइट ऑप्शन, बिकॉज यू डोंट रिवाइज थॉरोली इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिकॉल द करेक्ट आंसर आउट ऑफ ऑल द ऑप्शंस. Everything seems very similar, so I don't know, but descriptive is an open-ended question, like whatever you know you write. So इसलिए मुझे descriptive थोड़ा ठीक लगा, and there was no word limit in SIDBI descriptive questions, there was no word limit. तो ये मुझे एक surprise लगा, मुझे नहीं पता था, and because of that I was not under any panic. Whatever I knew I have written there. हाँ, मेरा 10 mark का question में I have written less content because I could not write, I could not type so fast. So yes, PFRDA phase 2 examination, English descriptive में 1 essay, 1 Prezi and 1 RC was asked, and 60 minutes they have given, and RC में कोई word limit नहीं था, तो that's why you will be able to complete the paper, because जितना भी आप लिख लो there was no word limit, बस answer should be accurate. And comprehension का जो passage था वो भी काफ़ी छोटा था, मतलब only 4 paras were there, so it was easy to attempt. Objective में 50 questions were there. I attempted 41 out of 50, and this 41 में 10-11 गलत हो सकते हैं, and I don't know इसमें क्या. I didn't study for PFRDA, and because I'm not very much interested in insurance and pension sector. Insurance sector I never filled a form, but PFRDA I filled because PFRDA का application fee was not there for female candidates. So मैंने सोचा let's fill, and then we'll see if we go or not. So for further, from 7th of October, I'll be covering just general awareness and 1 mock, full length mock per day, or maybe once in 2 days. Likewise, I'll attempt it. That will be my target for the next 9-10 days. And for you, I'll be just. So this is my last video that I'm making for before phase 1 examination. So in this video, I'll tell you that all the best for your examination, and believe yourself. Whatever you have practiced, you have done, it's good. Just have a positive mindset before entering. Don't think what you have not done. Just think that you have done a lot, you have practiced, and here you will apply all your knowledge that you have. That's all from my side, and I wish you all the best for your upcoming examination, and thank you for watching.